What are some morning gratitude affirmations? I'm Addison, and here is your private affirmation session to fill your heart overflowing with gratefulness today. These vintage quotes are 18 of the best morning affirmations for quickly replacing anxiety with love, trust, passion, and an attitude of gratitude. Breathe deeply and stay until quote number 1. It's one of my personal favorites. Ready? Let's go. Number 18. There is nothing so powerful as truth, and often nothing so strange. Daniel Webster. 17. Man is so made that he can only find relaxation from one kind of labor by taking up another. Anatole France. 16. The fates have given mankind a patient soul. Homer. Love is an irresistible desire to be irresistibly desired. Robert Frost. Life is anything that dies when you stomp on it. Dave Barry. You can be famous for a lot of things. You can be a Nobel Prize winner. You can be the fattest guy in the world. Evel Knievel. Death makes angels of us all and gives us wings where we had shoulders smooth as ravens' claws. Jim Morrison. I love Mickey Mouse more than any woman I've ever known. Walt Disney. I definitely wanted to earn my freedom, but the primary motivation wasn't making money, but making an impact. Sean Parker. As much as I love crisp, clean whites, there's always time for rich but balanced Chardonnays with oak, especially at Thanksgiving. Gary Vaynerchuk. The beginning of wisdom is calling things by their right names. Chinese proverb. Many men die at 25 and aren't buried until they are 75. Benjamin Franklin. A good novel tells us the truth about its hero, but a bad novel tells us the truth about its author. Gilbert K. Chesterton. When I was a boy, I was told that anybody could become president. I'm beginning to believe it. Clarence Darrow. I get up at 4:30 in the morning, 7 days a week, no matter where I am in the world. Bob Iger. I realized that if I had to choose, I would rather have birds than airplanes. Charles Lindbergh. The most useless are those who never change through the years. James M. Barrie. A facility for quotation covers the absence of original thought. Dorothy L. Sayers. I'm just curious, do you like the law of attraction? We're giving away copies of our Dream Life Manifestation program to new followers as a thank you. If I gave you the link, would you check the program out? Be sure to check out the first link in the description. If you would tap the like button, it would make my day. Which affirmation was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to this amazing playlist of my Law of Attraction secrets, and I'll see you in the next session. Have an amazing day.